talking now, you mentioned something in Bonba like it's a gift to us. Like nobody say we are multilingual like that. Damn, this is so crazy. That what, what do you think is the problem? Is it something that has to do Matan with it traits finally egos and e pride? What seems to be the matter? Shit. That's this.
Like with the last superhero, like what are we doing? Let's do something, bro.
Damn. Yes, yes. We just unpacked a lot of. Crap, man. I don't know about excesses handlisha kanjani, but thanks a lot, Tor Ricky, Mr. Jonas, and good luck, man, on that song. That we're gonna try and thank you for posting it on TikTok, man. We're gonna try and add it as a sound, not just post or something, yeah, boy.
Absolutely. I was for giving. I appreciate you for liking the song. It's actually my favorite song.
Yeah, it's currently my favorite song. The thing. Away. Nah. John, Mr. Torre,
Yeah.
thank you. I appreciate your input, mate. Yabo.
Yeah.
There's a lot of things coming from my side as well. And I think I'm gonna start working again because even better we interman yabo. But to cut the story short, yabo, we're gonna keep cooking, mate. Appreciate you.
Ngozi Time, appreciate you too. I appreciate you fully put.
We
Appreciate you. Such a bro.
shout out Toriki. Okay, chat. I
Good luck. Good luck also, my brother, on your thing, your streaming thing.
shout out my shout out man. Chat, that was Toriki himself, Mr. Jonas ngokwakhe. Okay, chat. Mr. Jonas, what he's saying is, as Babin, we guys are tapping in, about. He's saying is that there's a lot of issues that we have with the Cape Town hip hop. We have a lot of issues, like unresolved dilemmas, yeah, we have a lot of issues with the Cape Town hip hop, and that is making it difficult for us. We are not collaborating enough. Yeah, that is what he's saying. So we just talked to Toriki chat. Yeah, audio yam was ass, so we probably didn't hear the whole conversation, which is I'm mad about, but it's cool. We are here. There's a lot of things that maybe my mic is ass. Yeah, you are ass, bro. You are ass. Yeah, my mic is ass. So yeah, let's use what we can right now. Yeah, so Umjita says he has a lot of respect for the game. He has a lot of. This is Toriki's words, not mine. Yeah, Torik is saying we have a lot of potential. Yeah, us as Xhosa hip hop. Our potential is that we are lucky enough that our thing is broader. Yeah, we can't hear nothing. What do you mean you can't hear anything now? Chad, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. I'm just gonna call the next bro. Like I need to. I'm sorry about that. I apologize. I'm really sorry about that, Chad. For him. But now I'm gonna call the next bro. Shout out to Toriki, man. Maybe Omnium will not feel the same way. Follow my beand. I'm called Steve. Steve is. I'm called Steve. He's more of in the management side of things, yeah, bro. Let me hear what he's gonna say. Yeah, I wanna chat. Let's talk to this bro. Let's talk to this bro, chat.
Shit, my dog.
Except Stevie, what's up, G?
What's going on? What's going on, my G?
Oh wait, easy. Except Steve, you are live. We are live right now. On stream, ne?
Live on the stream.
Yeah.
Why, dog? What's part away, easy? What's popping though?
Nah, chill. Except we have a lot of chat. We're chatting about the scene right now of hip hop, right?
Yes, sir.
There's a big gap and it's visible, yeah, bro. So I wanted the inputs abantu in the game. I've already called a couple of brews. But anyways, but I say like we widen up the thought process, yeah, but thirty opinions about abathathu. Yeah, so we trying to understand now what's the plan? What's next for Xhosa hip hop? Because we've always been last. For instance, we can't compare ourselves to the Durban Brews. We can't compare ourselves to the Pretoria Brews. For us, what's next? You need like just generalize for what's your take on this one.
Yeah. Shout out to the stream, by the way, or shout out to the live.
Hold on. This is TK on Instagram chat. He's one of the managers of one of the artists that we know. He manages a couple of people. So check out TK. Okay, let's chat.
Shout out to you. So firstly, I think in is collaboration. I think that's one thing that really helps other groups of when it comes to, like you just said, PTA rap, how the brews come together and collaborate. I think that's one thing about you know.
Yeah.
The next thing is it's just a sad reality when Upper Cape Town, the how can I say, the scene, the hip hop scene is not the same, and it's not a fault to the artists themselves. That's just one thing that we hope to change, Yabo, as time goes, in terms of more hip hop events, more hip hop spots, not even just events only. Yes, we do have Broke, where people come through and show like Broke and Yongelando, but more hip hop, if it's more hip hop specialized spaces and events, I feel like that could also help, because with the likes of you and the other people that do streaming and the media stuff that helps, but is the soon as where there's those spots or events of hip hop, it's gonna be live. People are gonna be able to see it even outside of Cape Town. So I think the one important thing for the artist, the first thing is the collaboration. I feel like that's very important.
The collaboration uthitha ngayo ta, are you speaking just from angle artists zodwa okanye you talking about collaborations between brands or what are you saying?
Artists
Oh,
coming
okay.
together and collaborating. I feel like now ingathi khona because I see how Abo Chasa and Abo Pace, how they come together, that whole squad, yabo. But also, man, I know there is the politics when it comes to hip hop and stuff like that. But
Yeah.
when we are suffering, not suffering necessarily, but when we're not doing as great as we would want to do, I think in the ballet, especially now that it's not like out there like that. The beef and politics, we need to put it aside.
Yeah.
Just focus on building, yabo. Class no builder, and then come together and collaborate as artists. Let me not take this as born, yabo. So
Yeah.
born as artists, when they collaborate more and collaboration and work, just put in the work and collaborate more. I think that's one good thing that could put us in the right direction, yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like that. And
that's solid.
people like you, we need more people like you. We need you to put in more work. I see you already operating and putting a lot of work.
Yeah.
Keep doing that, my brother. But we also need other people as well to operate the media space as well, so that abanye abantu that are not in Cape Town can be able to peep, yabo.
Easy.
And that could also in turn, put it on the highest level, yabo.
I appreciate you, my dog. Okay, that was TK. So TK is saying, again, a problem that we have with the hip hop. I don't want to watch. I don't want chat to ask the sentimental questions right now. Because there are questions that I want to ask. Yeah, because do they feel like we are not collaborating enough? Do they feel the same way as other people feel? Because in Genzek, but like. This is a perspective, okay, but two people already said something about the collaboration. And the husband, what is happening? And the husband see Buddha, okay, if someone who's outside of, someone who's not gonna say something about collabs, no, Mr. P, let me try Mr. P, the OG, let me try the OG, Mr. P, badala ke, unombelele nolala. Abalelo Mr. P, OG. Adalo Mr. P. Abalelo OG. Let me try Mr. P. Let me try him. I'm gonna try Pizzo. I'm gonna try Pizzo chat. Let me call Pizzo one time. And some booze on a gap again. OG, what's good? Mocha, OG. Are you not, OG? Are we in a good space, OG? Bentenza kufonela alkhona nyam. Yeah, OG. Hayibo. Hayi, it's less than 2 minutes, OG. Okay. No, OG like I've been said to tell an artist man is like Cape Town OG yabo. But the question here is that how do we kaulelana the people before the current generation, how do we kaulelana together yabo and meet halfway yabo OG? That's the question, because I was like, I think someone who can answer it better is you, yabo. Because apparently, we would love to see Mahlambi and OG on a song with Umito, just making an example with the new kids, yabo. So how do we kaulelana with the two?
We don't, and it's out there, yeah, we don't.
OG, sorry, OG. Kukho umuntu oshumayelayo emva kwakho, so chat is saying awuvakali.
Oh shit, I'll begin. You know what you're forgetting?
Yeah. Chat name for Mr. Pina. I bet.
What's up, Chef WP?
W Mr. P in the chat. Let's go, Mr. P.
Most of us, particularly OG, we suspect and I'm thinking about. I'm thinking to see about them, because I from OG, of which the color by problem,
Yeah.
Maybe understand that I understand the generation because it inspired them to come,
Damn.
But she failed like she never failed. We failed to understand about
W accountability, Mr. P. W accountability. Yeah.
We don't know in the next few years to come in the South Asia because the EU wave is just a wave. And twist stars a wave, Milan Clash was just a wave. Yeah, sure. If you compare it the way, if I was quiet, it was quiet, it was deep house, it was home, it was now Amapiano. We don't know about what's coming after Amapiano, we can understand.
I hear you.
But we are now at new waves, the new wave. Now, as young by the one being the train of the understand. So, in the African Tina, because again, the mistake is a huge mistake in
Mr. P.
Once you get a following, your 1,000 people about follow you, and we reach the business side, of which the suppose the OGs to learn. But you find that the OGs, they don't open doors for these kids to come and learn. So as Kamelan, that's my plan.
Do you have a solution off the top, Mr. P, before we let you go?
The solution of money is to follow my department because I'm also streaming on TikTok.
I'm Mr. P, la input layer yako is very solid. Siyabulela ngixesha lakho Mr. P.
Easy, brother. Easy.
Thank you, Mr. P.
Aware.
Chat. Pizzo is saying, chat. OG Pizzo is saying, Mr. P is an OG. Definitely a fucking OG. I don't want to lie. Mr. P, damn. Pizzo took accountability. Okay. W accountability. The problem is that OGs do not want to be accountable. When one of the biggest OGs that we have says, yo, as the OGs of the game, Tina, we are the one who are failing the young ones. He said it himself. I'm not talking my own shit, chat. I just called him. You heard it from the horse's mouth. Mr. P, Uti, they are failing the young ones. Okay. Tall Ricky said there's less collaborations. TK said collaborations. But can questions be different, of course. I want to call someone now, chat. Someone who's more chilled. Someone, mhlambi. Like in the man on both ends, like liso side, like mhlambi ungumuntu wabantu, I guess, I don't know about yena wenza kanjani, I don't know about wenza kanjani. Pro child, so pro child chat. Let's call pro child chat real quick. Let's talk to him. Mholi. Let's call pro child one time. I'm calling Mholi right now, chat. I want to understand uthini yena. Yasinda le ndebe. Awuthamela amalungu phapho. Damn. L mention. L Pro Child. Now Pro X. Now Pro X will have to say, Pro X uzawuthetha kakhulu. Pro X uyacacisa ingxaki yakho. That's oh, let's call it MEK. He just dropped an album. How MEK just dropped an album. Yeah, and let me call Salty as well. Yo, Salty is quiet, man. What the fuck? Tibana Salty. Let's call Salty again. Salty, remember Salty dropped Kiana Ikechi? That's his biggest hit so far. And then he was on Umhluzi Remix. Shout out to Salty again. Shout out to Salty again. But we have to talk to him. We have to talk to him. We have to talk to him. Like, I'm trying to talk to the pioneers, the people that I know by accept have been grinding ever since, you know what I'm saying? Salty Jan. Ugrand Buddha uyamkelekile kumhlobo wenene TSIDI. Except Buddha yam we live right now, yabo, and I'm talking yeah, maita, and I've spoken to a couple of bros, man, about the state of Xhosa rap right now, because okwasasemgquthu, and I feel like the more ixesha lihamba, the more gap man ndiye ndiyibona. I don't know uba ndibona into zam.
Yeah, bro. Like, I think that kind of conversation has been circulating in every circle that has been watching it more and more.
Yeah.
My chat is always like this. I don't remember who I was telling my homie Omar.
Yeah.
That we need to come to realization that Xhosa rap is exactly where it's supposed to be right now. That's how I feel. Because you need to understand, bro. Xhosa rap comes from Ispaza, bro. We come from a generation of Ispaza, bro.
Yeah.
Do you get me?
Yeah.
So from there, the Komakrugmano Pizo, Pro X, yabo, 3 months ago. From there, what the critique, as we changed it to Xhosa trap.
Yeah.
Now Flash, Bravo, Legend,
yeah.
And then right now, and then since a big night, and then right now, we come at you, Tomatasa, so April, so like now I'm actually innovative with this thing. So it's a work in progress, Jam. I personally feel like Xhosa rap is exactly where it should be, and then as time goes, it's going to progress.
According to you, you don't think it's been too long, Metam? Like there's already 3 generations that you mentioned, which meaning when you are part of the middle child, like Rubu Balil, and then there's OGs, and then there's this April young new gen. So isn't it too long? Like, I mean, it's been a while. We have never proposed like to that level. I-hits is yabaleka. I could bala i-hits, for instance, Ikiana Ikechi, Umhluzi, Amakwenkwe. It's a couple of hits that have surfaced and went to that level. You don't think it's too long?
I mean, it's gonna take long. We need to be realistic, also with the crowd, with the crowd that's listening to the music.
Yeah.
We need to. The crowd here too, as a Xhosa team is very divided, and also not sing about Xhosa. We're very like.
That's the conversation. That's the conversation. The division. The division, meta. What? That's the conversation, because everything runs around and then it comes back to the fact that we are divided. In no less divided, why is it kabana?
No, that wasn't my point. I was in Britain.
Yeah.
Crowd here too, is about sing about Xhosa. There's a crowd here about Xhosa. As we come about Xhosa, about Mamela, the sound, besides hip hop. But like Mamela, you do hip hop. You understand what I'm saying? Then they come about Mamela hip hop. Do you understand what I'm saying? So it's like we are divided, like one.
We are not loyal to the craft.
Exactly. So it's like it's a work in progress, bro. We like what is cool. They Mamela, the sound is cool. So like it's like, let's say 2 years from now, because the TikTok is growing so fast, I wouldn't put a decade or 5 years. 2 years from now, a year from now, I think we're gonna witness our first superstar, man. I believe, about a year, 2 years from now, because we got TikTok. I think TikTok is doing big for the culture.
Okay. Shout out to Salty Jan. Okay, that angle is that Salty Jan Chad is saying we need time. That's what he's saying. He says we need time. He's not pointing at anything, but okay, the issue is here. He says probably the most positive I've heard from all these calls right now from the artists that we have. And what's put one for your time, ne? Salute. Chat. That's actually a good angle, yeah, but are we patient enough, chat? Are we patient enough? Yeah, that's another thing. Are we patient enough? Yeah, but it's the first time no, the only thing that we need is time. Which is very positive, according to me, chat. I need something to drink real quick. Salty John just came with a different angle, chat. I won't lie. That's actually solid. Now let me drink water, man. That is actually solid. I won't lie. Salty has come with a different angle. He was like, you know what? Maybe. Just maybe. Maybe it's Mamile. For some reason, I don't know. So this thing. Quiet, man. Yo. It's Mamile for some reason. And he also can't figure out why it's Mamile. And I'm saying to the Bruella, hey, it's been a minute, Chad. I don't lie. It's been a while, Chad. I don't lie. It's been a minute. Yeah, bro. I wanted to call pro chart. Andy Kufuman. The Pro said I must call it in 10 minutes. Why? 10 minutes, no, we are talking now. Oh, Flash. Yeah. Oh, Flash in Kumgani. Oh. So let's try Flash real quick. Real quick. I gave Kelly interviews with Flash. It's a big up, yeah. Let's try Flash Mungani. I don't have any number put legend. I also wanted to talk to him. Iphethwe City lewe iphethwe City. Iphethwe City lewe iphethwe City. Isezandleni zethu bhuti, there's no way around it.
Iphethwe City lewe.
There's no way around it. Yeah, but I am Sabulela ngexesha lakho man bhuti wami. We are live right now and we inside a conversation apha yami yoba what's next now for le genre yethu yabo, because uyayibona ba lide elithuba thina sisoloko sibekwa emgqutsu yabo lani ba kuthiwe iDurban, i-conversation between iDurban nePretoria, it's always been a thing yabo, but ke if uyayiqaphela ngathi i-system the more ixesha lihambi ngathi instead of ba xa sithathe iziteps zibentathu ze-front siphinde sithathe ezi-4 ubuye emva yabo, because andiyazi ba imoshakalaphi yabo ucinga uyayiva ke ngo siyibhuda aphi mate, because when you are inside the game yabo and uvutha amalanga right now and oyena mntu nosicebisa kakuhle bakwenzeka ntoni senze njani inkwanga nguwe.
Okay, kuqala manibulele ngethuba mandabethu unimeme nambeni ngalenye le conversation lawe, because i-conference fana nezi zibaleke kakhulu zezona sizidingayo yabo
Flash
ba sincokola undonakele basimosha phewe ingawenza ngabe made mntakwethu kwafika kwami egemini yabo ngexesha nane-big song umhluzi
ewe bhuti
enye ngoma ezimbalwa eza-crossover crossa hip hop zakhala ku-radio ku-Metro FM mhlobo wenene Khosi FM khalekileyo ku-crossa hip hop yabo.
Let's go.
So nathi xa nale remix ndatsho ngeKhayelitsha straight kuba ndi-inspired ndibunjwe rappers zaseKhayelitsha, Backyard Records, Juman Stap, Naked Minds yabo. Khona mkhangela uba ngubani abashushu ekhaya elitsha.
Yeah.
Ngenye imini ndabhaqa uBravo, ndabhaqa uSolty, nyana mayidadeliver. Ngehlobo bendifuna ngalo.
For sure.
Abalisa isitori sawo. Yaba ingoma ebhalansileyo yabo. So nathi ke majini saseshuta la sisashuta video la way but brother uyenze siyenza apha masibambeni le way sibe unity ngehlobo because kuzathi gqiyile ibells okanye ezi artists izinkulu zifuna uthatha omnye wethu singevumeleni lo way because lo way leyo izawubulala iculture kuzawuthatha one wethu abeyedwa pha phinde ukuthi cwaka kanti xa si movement ngehlobo isixhosa sonke siyakhula yabo.
Sure.
Zenzeka kiway yenzeka ngehlobo benitsho ngalo but amajita fumaniseka ba ubani bani ukhosana ngiyanga ubani bani njalo yangusa then qaphela sikhompyutha kwasodwa nami ndaphuma MT Records yabo ngkwamna ansenayo lapha bendinayo yabo.
Sure.
Ento competition ke ngokwamna ngokwansamanyelwa njengendlela bendimanyelwa ngayo uqala ngokubenzisana bambo omkhulu yabo. So thina singamaXhosa apho sibhuda khona wena jeni yami kucinga fansi ba umuntu angayenza eyi-1 uzawuyenza eyi-1 but kwawena awuzuhambe laphi yabo uzodibana nobo bantu bambalwa abakhule egemini basipane nawe then iphele laphi way yakho kanti xa siyi-movement nami umzekelo uba bekuthoba ixhosa hip hop like i-movement yexhosa hip hop ngizakwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe xa ndinengxaki zami into zami zinzima ndikhe ndibuyumva yabo.
Sure.
Mhlawumbe after 4 years phinde ndibuye ndidrophe yabo emotion iqhubekeke but ngoku ngenxa indlela izinto zingayo uba ndingama ngoku ndawuthi ndibuya ndibese ndiye mhlawumbe 20 years back yabo. Akho movement yesixhosa yabo akho market yesixhosa lawe nalamajita umzekelo ndibone nangoba endihlala eJozi ndiyabona lamajita ablow apha phambi kwam osamana uzibona kwami uthi yakwazi eJozi ngozimana zifika ndazibona za like because benetrack noma lo mkhulu cat yabo sanfollowisha nazo yangathi sawuspana nazo but the xa ba big zan unfollowish because lamajita awaboni into and useful ngayo because awana market say Eastern Cape apho ayaziba ngoba singene kula market sidinga at least basipende ngoma no flash ngoba abantu bakuthathe serious kaba kwawona lamajita sijonga nje yabo fane ukufeature lo muntu ngelo xesha ngenxa yeba yathi say1 imthandile yabo. Otherwise wonke lamajita segemini makhulu awana xesha lethu because enye into bayibona uba kwathina siyaxutshana sisodwa and athina market serious akho bantu bathenga hip hop bakwaXhosa.
Excellent. Nah. This I think we need these conversations, meta yabo. We really need to have these conversations. Into endiyiqaphelayo ta especially now with the fact that now Uta Bravo is no more igap ke ngoku iya inantsike iya isanda ngoku instead yokuba sibe more collected yabo siyatsala-tsalana ingathi once oyi-1 abe nenhlansi kukhona sizibhekisayo kulo muntu lo. I don't know what is happening but ubambisana
ndiyabona wena mntu kwethu qala ngokuqala enye way uBravo beringa ngazo usukela ngo-2024 uqala kwethu phinde sibe grand yabo because sabanashiyana nomntu kwethu ngo-2022 2023 then 2024 sayilungisa la way 2025 sabe sisonke stick into ebeyithethelele babrazam sibhutile le way because 2020 bisisodwa banemotion so wabethetha
2020 was crazy
nacho kuye nathi yabona wethetha lela ndithetha uqala kodibana wabe sitsho naye babrazam ibhutile so masingabesakhala ke ngoku lawe awuchithakala kwebisi kukhuluma kwama yabo so masidibaneni ngoku nyani uzamile lawe inkhumbula ngoku eseJozi wasithi up sonke sane motion kusonwabile
remember
sona sayela way
crazy I remember that
ngabona benzi numbers yabo
meaning ingakhona inantsika i-following yabo xa esa-stream sakwazi because obviously yayingabaXhosa abantu abaninzi ababukelele esa-stream yabo meaning inumber zingakhona. Do you think i-Cape Town ke ngone Eastern Cape do they collab more bona because yabo ndingazimenshina inantsika i-artists zase-Eastern Cape kwezi zandla zozibini yabo endizaziyo ne because iCape Town ne-Eastern Cape kukho laa mentality ngathi izinto eziyi-two ezohlukaneyo. I don't know uba ndiyibona ndoda loo nto leyo.
Yeah, mna kwethu for the longest time ke la way kuba mna nda-inspire zirapha zasekhaya elitsha gugulethu
Yeah.
bendikade ndingayiboni loo way yabo ndizoyiqaphela nam ngokusekudala ndisegemini yabo uba shit kunjani i-Eastern Cape ibekelwe bucala ngendlela ithile yabo ibekelwe bucala i-Eastern Cape amajita I feel like when kwa-music wangoku wena Jani ngaphandle nje but ke phofu inkulu apha kuthi singamaXhosa lawo yoba
Flash ngumkani chat. Sorry Flash. Flash ngumkani ondithetha naye chat the chat ukhona umuntu osonongena apha ku-stream. Uyabuza uba ndithetha nabani, so I'm just letting them know. I'm speaking to Flash ngumkani chat. Remember, we are talking about the state of the hip hop since Flash Utamusi is in the game and uyayibona yonke le nto. So it's best to have someone who's inside asixelele uba siyibhuda phi apha kwantu. Okay, continue Shockman.
sure mna ukuthi ikhona manje lo yoba amajita xa ine-motion andiyazi yabo khe ndibone namamalight yabo ndizame uwahitha up amalight amaninzi endiwabonayo aba ane-motion yabo mna kandifihli makhuba kulinyo umzekelo ndikhe ndahitha up inkosi yamandebele bisekhipha yo
Nkosi.
ndibona manje une-motion lawe ndicela sisitream efenonononi ayenza ta ndalena nancama apho wabesithi umfethu uzaba ne-stream Monday kwaku-Saturday umntatsha kwam andatatsha Monday ndambona nyange Sunday late eposta i-line up ya-Monday yabo ekuseyomjita konke bendigacisile yabo but qha ndabenqona yabo so ndikhe ndiyibone manje la malathi yabo thina asixabisananga yabo umntu andiyazi but ke yenzeka layo nakum-musical yabo akhona amalayithi ane-motion but manje unrelated to kulo mculo but ngenxa yoba mna ndinamava ke they appreciate art nobinjani noba kuthiwa ayo-favorite yam yabo kodwa laweyoba sonke siphusha into eyi-one into ebalulekileyo leyo mayigqobhozele nayo ikwazi ukuthengisa yabo
Shara Khulman. Ndiyabulela Khulman man ngexesha lakho. Zininzi izinto esinothetha ngazo like but I feel like ziziway ezo labo le nto ndiyenzela uba ndifuna ujonga uba singakwazi na uyenza le way ke ngoku on xa se-emotion nayo icaca yabo siyenze ke ngoku on a physical way yabo. Ndifuna nje i-input ze-artist yabo tayam. There's a lot going on tayam and nale way yotsalatsalana I feel like leyo nto tsalatsalana ingathi sesithe sayenza normal yabo. For instance, we are entertaining violence man tayam from point to point yabo 14 na zifans zalewe yabo, but for some reason there's always a beef kliwe yabo, and ifans yezicinga ba scripted. Like for instance ngoku chat is saying ba as beef that we are involved in, for instance a beef ka Tay na Legend bisanda kwenzeka, and 2024 before 2024 was nankhe anabonisana no Bravo as well yabo. So there's always things like that ibangati is it scripted, nifuna udropa after it into nifuna okanye is it real yabo lawe nifuna ukhunto ufuna udropa for instance because bekwi beef ngoku ka Tay unansi uBig Legend was dropa I think an RIP song to the Bravo. So we get confused ba kwenzeka ntoni kahle nothing is scripted, kwenzeka ntoni ta.
Sometimes when I can be honest yabo, sometimes xa abantu belamba bathanda ukuxuthana abantu belambileyo banengcwamo yabo. So enye yengozi esinazo le ayenza imali incamo yabo, i-bookings zinqabile, i-streams ziningi yabo, so abantu abalambayo banechuku. So enye yeyo ezenzekayo wena Jani siyanihamba sinomajita waloi yabo.
I solid.
So enye yeyo esixuthana ngazo. Otherwise akho nto yokuzondana ibhekephi kanje ilanga ithumbu liyakhanya.
Okay, siyabona ngexesha lakho Mr Flash. Inkosi Khulman yami phethe city lewe kanjani ibhuti. Yo What is he talking about, chat? chat. Oh my God, this brew. Nah. Okay, Flesh Bungani chat might be the most honest brew. Like, this brew is honest. Oh my God, what the fuck was that? Let me try call Put Legend himself, chat. Yeah. Way like chat to answer your question. Self-made G. To answer your question, umvile musupra utupra indlala fethu liwenza liwe. Siyalamba. Yabo xa ubona ba welamba uzama nantoni na owuxhithana uthi lithumbu. Ayikho into ebangibasilwe olhlobo silwa ngalo. Which is I think it's actually valid. Yeah, but he's right to a certain extent. Yeah, but he's right. He's right. I won't lie. He's right about that. Like, it's probably indlala. Yeah, but I think I should call Put Legend since Cecilia up. Yeah, but and ask him ba. Kwenzeka ntoni? Uyathanda uba wise again. Athanda uba wise. Ngxaki yakhe. Zamfuna mzami. Awona zamfumana na. Uyayazi andibambeki ndimzama. Zamfunela. Xa ngempela veki. Long imali ikhona. Uyayazi andibambeki. Xa ngempela veki. As long imali ikhona. As long imali ikhona. Uthi na ithumbu chat like akanayo nantsika. Mata kafumaneke kulegend chat. I'm a call pro besa nobela kum. Mata kafumaneke utaleji. Mata kafumaneke utaleji. He's gonna call back if you have phone. Yeah, dead. I'm pinning for some pro chat. Pro to I drop a Nanzik. Let the looks. And December. Hey, chat December. Who do I drop let the looks? Hold on, chat. Let me check. Umholi webandla. Umholi webandla put you at Kaku, right? Ndi ingathi uyavakala kancinci. Hayi tandi khangala le deluxe apha andikayiboni ithi into yayo. Yeah. Ithi into yayo. Umholi webandla yaqhawe kahle.
Uyikhangelapi?
Hayibo, ndikhala kumakhasi onxibelelwano bhuti. Hayibo, bekudala ngobe sestrand ibhuti, bekudala ngoko. Uyasibambekisa.
Yes, andotenkulu bona man.
Okay bhuti.
Yabambeka phaya yabo.
Namaginci. Hayi lungisa sifuna isolid bhuti, sifuna isolid akho rush. Sifuna isolid.
Yes, yona yabona siyaphusha baba.
Ndiqinisekile. Hayi chat uthiwa gacane chat. Umholi webandla uthi masigace kancinci. Uthamsanqa iDeluxe yeza soon.
Bathi bafuna yona.
Ndithi usanophendula ukuthi uyayiphi iDeluxe. Kunini silindile. Nam ndiyayikhangela ngonqoma Nam bese ndiyikhangela ngonqoma nobiphi kanye yazi bandikhumbuza into.
Yini baba bekusuppose isinoko seyiphobile yabo.
Oh.
But ke implement iways ezanletha pha kwilaweza kwezi technology yabo.
Oh, okay.
I had to demand a holiday yabo up until kulugezwe yabo so nisabanjwe low way otherwise these on gives back when like I have videos to drop. I have like singing, pop up,
Okay.
so yeah.
Okay, no that. Bungakabeki date mos ne? Oh, luckily besingakabi ne date, otherwise ngesiphezu kwakho. Grootman, we
Ngikho sure my
siyabulela mate. Grootman, so what we're doing with the chat namhlanje, we're just having a conversation man. Nabantu abasimeleyo kule nto yakwaXhosa yabo. So I'm trying to talk to abantu abasimeleyo esijonge kubo yabo. Asithi sinithwalise ixanduva but ikuni le way yabo. So thina kwi hip hop sifuna le way ihambe. So sizama ngandlela zonke. So into efana nale yoba at least kubekho someone uzaba have his conversations yabo, because not only ngomculo yedwa uzawusenza sibe kwinqanaba elilandelayo. Siyazidinga ezi YouTube channels as interviews nezwe yabo, so that izawusoloko ivela kwi feed zabantu, you understand?
sure.
So Mr Pro, okwangoku xa ujongile kule game inobijinxa laphi umlenze omfitshane nobundawoni for now generally ke not just for wena as the brand.
I think Poison we doing good, yabo. Lately, in terms of like you see Cape Town like Central to like Uyenza, iwe cool to the point that like you could also come home from outside about Cape Town. Companies like Buye is born by except Ukoni artists, otherwise they keep down like that you can take mhlawumbe uyolihlalisa eJoburg yabo, thatha sign like Buye njalo yabo. So usakhona ba
Ndikhona ntandi mame.
Sure. So I would say Nababa, we growing than Uchingela yabo. But it's a matter of song siyibambe okay bandle apha le yenziwa so yabo. It's a matter of wena ta like uyibona mna ndiyenza njani and wenyenze yabo like
Okay.
bon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I think ndiyayivalele engiluza ngayo because recently benibone unansika uMalindi ne was one of the artists bensanibone Jozi now yabo, which ukhawuza nje kulomzekelo wakho wa fast but at least ikhona i-change because now we get izinto ezifana nezo. So you're saying that the scene in Cape Town right now is getting better by the day, yabo. So there's a lot of conversations as teta ngento ye collabs yabo, but there's not enough collaborations. What is your take on that one?
Yabona ismoke depends ukuthi ufuna ndoni wena as a collaboration, because ngoku yabona ndikukhold kwi podcast kwi stream sakho yabo.
Yeah.
That's a collaboration. Like I think we do collaborate in Cape Town, but like when we told that like it's a matter of when we go but okay pro when I saw team like because the collaboration is not about the featuring yabo. I can do it like and feature you when we like we beat maker feature subano shootayo yabo, like that's collaboration yabo. Tanuba funeka kuke ban featuring ban yabo, because we see what he only create some argument yabo, then what else can we use yabo, ezo sisaklewe sifunayo yabo. So you into eyenjalo. We try dogs ingaspani linze nelicebo lingaspani zeneli.
Okay. Okay. Before we let you go, Khotman, because no asifuni nokusukubambekisa. I-chat ifuna nje ukwazi ke ngoku this question because ezam zisaphila kulo mzuzu because into endizamayo is that we're gonna meet yabo, we're gonna make more streams where sihlala endaweni eyi-one like I told you before, but it's a story for another day. So what as an artist who's already there for i-upcoming artists bayabuza majita imali kanti niyenza njani kule industry outside i-bookings? Balekile chat. Mr. Pro Mholi yo balekile chat. Oh nguwe ke ongandivayo Khulumani? Uyandiva ndimi ongavi wena noba ndimi onganengxaki network. Masibambe apha Khulumani man, masibambe apha. Masiphinde sidibane ngenye ixesha. Enkosi ngethuba Khulumani yam ne. Sure. Expected bookings ne features. It's a good question. Qha network up right is bad. So I'm gonna call Mehlambi. Let me call an upcoming artist. Let me call an upcoming. Zanzambuz, don't worry. I got you, chat. I got you in Zababuz. Let me call someone on Komba Kutale upcoming artist. Whoa! I saw Zababuz, chat. There's strong questions in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Grow up, nigga. Shit. Color tune in B 2026. Crazy. Granny. Grandpa. My god, you have a color tune. That's insane. Color tune. That's insane, chat. Who else we're gonna call? We called to Pizzo, Flash. We already called to Salty Jan. Zilimbola. I wanna call la. Oh no man, before Zilimbola man, try nance. Leroy, something more matured. Leroy the hustler. Udumabezwe. Me call from man Leroy the hustler. Dumabezwe chat. Let's see ba. Sizamfumana naye na chat. Dumabezwe bhuti. Moja Khotman yam. We are live right now wena Khotman yam. Are you able to speak to us? Noba mizuzu mibini.
Sure, Khotman yam.
Yeah. Nanso Khotman yam. Buddha sithina ne chat siqaphele besithetha ngento ye branding ne. Siqaphele into eyi-one ne that if ever we having low topic ingalonto we just find an artist esiqomba they are looking very healthy kulo mbandla lo. Before the music, congratulations on Umxhosa. We saw the music video as well. Congratulations on that joint fire. So Khulumani, branding. We are looking at you, Abo. You one of the few artists esikapelayo that Khulumani is more of a brand than a musician and just an artist. How does one become a brand? And why is it important to you, Lowe?
Off that, but yeah, man.
I'm a pega, Khulumani, I'm pega.
No, easy theatre, but first of all, you to be different,
Sure.
What everybody is doing, you know, and then Ulero the Hustler, is a brand, and about them things, Ulero the Hustler.
Sure.
So, what I learned from Napim today is that you will think is also when I was in terms of if I could start here, so if now we're gonna most of the time when you're posting visuals or posting reels or whatever, we are trying yathini awuzuthengiseka because not everybody gonna be interested no way.
Sure.
So I try by all means to protect i-visibility yami xa ndiziveza on social by extending abantu bangaboni i-real society about me, yabo.
Sure.
So I think that's what I stick to mna, yabo.
So you're saying keeping it clean is the best way, or you saying that might work? It might work for someone, it might not work for, or just it's in general for every artist. They might make sure that they keep things clean.
I would say it works in a whole money for most of the artists, and then that's it. Like advising, but also it depends. When we contain njani la uyiba okay uhlale ungalihlobolile ngithola nakona.
Ndiyakuva bhuti.
Yeah man.
Ndiyakuva bhuti. There's a lot of saying uba kunzima for le genre yethu, which is Xhosa hip hop, mayigqobhozele. It has done, there's a few songs that have done a wave that is way big, yabo, ziyabaleka. So kunzima. Noma sifuneka know where can we improve, or what is the plan behind? Because one thing and proud ngayo, I know you are a good artist and you are good with the pen. You're spitting very nice, yabo. But the branding for me, it speaks volume. Ubona isepaba, okay, this artist whereas what can we do in order for all of us, not just you nje as an artist, as a brand, for all of us to just move? Singenza kanjani?
I think insebenziswane is the main thing. So Tina, basically I would say Tina asispanisane yabo.
Sure.
I don't remember when did Nabani last week about this, saying I can't do a song with you and then not promote the song with you. Like when the end and only track if I'm not gonna promote it and understand.
Wasting my time.
Once I find a chance of vela, Funuvela yes, or Bogani Funuvela, the click yak or the crew yak or whatever, Kanyabando, Aspanisana and Team yak. So you believe this one, I'm not only saying to artist, my damn my good artist, my damn the artist equals a fan. So if we do something together and push that thing so that it reach, because that's it's in the following, there's a different in different social media, what, you understand? So just imagine now if I have a song with you, then it's done and dusted, and then we're just gonna post it once and then make them post it cool, and then we have more following. Now what were you doing? Like get question the sense in the sense about okay, just to get your voice on the song or your best on the song, and then you're gonna push the song. So if you like clinical way that we can reach yabo the black is from babu yabo. I think icon is in so but it's lacking kancane and all and just imagine if Make Boys can drop a project and then all of Cape Town, even the artists like push and away ngabapi Make Boys today. I think movie the push ngaba bantu ba grand Make Boys.
Imagine.
They're not gonna push that way, but officially it came at the end of the day. But yeah, I think it's the main thing. And in the show, even me, I'm his dreams.
Yeah.
So we should invite like a lot of people. Don't target give platform to others. Nabo babone yantola nabo bashare ku platforms zabo kwaziwa ba kusekhona way yenzekayo so and understand that.
I appreciate you, Khormaniam. Chat Liro the Hustler. Any questions for Liro the Hustler before some cool? Cause tuba Khormaniam. Okay, Nancy. Question from chat quickly. Outside, if features ne bookings, how does artists send mali kanjani?
Now for my side, I always tell artists to find something else to do. But for the sense, I'm not just an artist. I'm a producer, engineer, I'm a writer. So if maybe you want me to mix and master, we have to pay. If you want to come and record, you have to pay. So always mna ndisitsho kwabanye endisifanisana naye like sesixhomekeke umculini qha because it might be quiet but sometimes ungabi na-inspiration and then awuzukwenza mali yabo. So you must find something to do also. When you do a project or a song, try to print merchandise, sell the t-shirts so that you be like it takes, like I said, umculo akahambi yedwa as umculo. You have to accommodating ezinye izinto and umthengise umculo wakho. If umthengise umculo wakho, you don't put your music out there and push your music, who's gonna do that? Treat umculo wakho as like a baby yabo. So zininzi indlela ke zokwenza imali, but mna from my side so far, since I'm a producer and an engineer, I also make money via lobby.
Inkosi Dumabezwe Grootman yam, siyabulela ngethuba man. Siyabulela. Too many more Grootman yam, I'll be in touch. Siyabulela. That was Lero the Hustler chat to Dumabezwe. That was Lero the Hustler. Naye ukhala nge-collaborations. A lot of cats are crying over into collaborations, which is valid. I think a chat. Come on now, chat. Nah. You're all sleeping on me. I think I am what I think I am. Chat. I might be him. Chat. I might be that bro. Namali, like I'm chatting, like I'm a namali. That's the only problem is that a namali chat. Otherwise, I'm that bro. I might be, trust me, I might be that bro. Like this goes without saying. I might be that bro. Watch out, chat. It's not a threat. I might be that bro for real. I'm not namali. But when namali, I'm on saband. I might be that bro. I swear to you, child. I swear to you. But again, it is what it is. Who else? How long have you been streaming? An hour and something. That's crazy. That went. Anati Swap. We might get some wisdom from Anati Swap. Let's get some wisdom from Anati Swap. And let's call it Zimbola. Zimbola hates the new school. Yo, Zimbola, he hates the new school, bro. I got it, Kako. Look, watch me change the lingo. By items of one.
Already.
Kunjani apho?
Yaphileka kunjani kulotha?
Ku-right kakhulu Mzokantu. Sicinga uba i-drop yakho yokugqibela ibinantsika imali noChina. Ne?
Yes.
I-drop yakho yokugqibela siyacinga uba imali noChina ne?
I-drop yami yokugqibela futhi omkhulu. Uthetha ngomculo.
Lo sithetha ngomculo apha wena bhuti wam.
Ndithetha nabani bhuti omkhulu?
Hayibo, si-live siyastreama bhuti wam. Bendikubalisele nje uba ndizawustreama tonight and ndizawufonela i-artist zike zithi sele thuphe nje yabo because ngelinye ixesha anifumaneki so ndifuna nje ukhe ndisincokole on stream. You live ngoku usithethayo.
Okay, bhuti omkhulu awucacisanga bhuti omkhulu. Kudala nje ndizikhupha ingoma ukhona umama wapuphondo. Ukhona.
Hayi yima kaloku wo uzamthi yima chat sanonilahlekisa. Kuwe wedwa.
Mamela umama wapuphondo. Okay, ndiyakubamba scheme ingxakede sizihlelela akukho nto bendiyenza. But ke ngoku kaloku ndifumana abantu abathengayo abafuna umuntu acacise bhuti omkhulu.
Oh, ndiyakuva. Umama wapuphondo. Okay.
Iseke umama wapuphondo ndibalekayo bhuti omkhulu.
Ne.
Nje lo ngoma uyawufika ndikhona apho latest yami leyo ndikhona ndifeaturing exposer no Hendrik Mabachwana.
Hawu feature ukhashasha exposer.
Bathathu kulo ngoma.
Okay. Okay, sibhaqile. Siyabulela bhuti wami. Okay. Bhuti wami,
Oh, sikut.
siyabulela. Chat, please go stream the song. Please go check out uZilimbola. If ever you're not tapped in, late chat.
Exposure Zilimbola hat-trick.
No, ndifumene bhuti wami, siyayibona siyijongile. Khona yam besine conversation apha ne with the chat yabo.
Mamele but.
I-conversation yethu yahamba yafikela kwinto yokuba ispaza nale hip hop ikhoyo azishiyani kakhulu na, okanye ziyashiyana okanye azishiyani, and ingakhona indlela yokuba zidibane.
Ndole kutomkhulu hip-hop ekhoyo.
I-new wave.
Yeah, man. Yeah, izonke zikhona nje kutomkhulu. Akho nto ingekho. Thetha ukuthini?
No,
Ngiyabhideka mina. Andibona ngolu hlobo lawo because yonke into ikhona kutomkhulu. Ngeli xesha sithethayo, atheni ngelinye ixesha.
no. Andithi kaloku bhuti wami xa ndisithi remember kwabanye abantu ispaza is a sound eyaqala yazalwa, yabo. Kwazalwa enye emva kwespaza. Ayithetha uba uzalwa konye kuye kwafa umkhulu wenye, you understand? But ke ngoku
Zikhona zonke kutomkhulu.
Exactly.
Zikhona zonke ndizimandi.
exactly khonweni yam. So i-conversation esinayo is that zimbali ithuba mhlawumbi sibone umido no-exposer kwingoma eyi-1, you understand le ndiyithethayo? Because u-exposer unesasingqi esiya sasivuka naso sonke, yabo, before yonke le nto ikhoyo ngoku, you understand? So yile nto besiyithetha uba ziyakwazi na udibana, yabo, as uba omnye umkhulu wenye.
Hayi, iluntu elula, hayi ingxaki le sound omhlawumbi le sound uzawuthi omhlawumbi ikhoyo. Ayonto ehlukileyo mos qha I think ikhona le nto iswayisiweyo. So ayikho nto ehlukileyo. I think no-exposer funeka uzama umculo wakhe. Ikhona ezinye iibhiti zetrap azibulalayo exposer. Akasoloko emengazi. Khona enye way yakhe ethi kodwa mani inezaa way ze-African trap man ukayiposti really yalaa way.
Ne.
So ayonto andanoba awuya le ngoma ndithetha ngayo.
No khonmani yam, mhlawumbi andikaziboni zezinto ndifuna like khe sincokoleni sibone uba asishiyani na, sihamba sonke.
Itrap ilula kakhulu ta, itrap ilula kakhulu qha ke ngoku asinawuba kuyo sonke. Ilula itrap qha andiyazi ngase ndimva abanye abafethu abatraphayo xa berepa because itrap noma ungandinika ibhithi ilula itrap.
Ngaphandle into
Ihlobo endirepa ngalo kwitrack ethi ekugqibeleni kuYouTube. Umamele phaa, there's those are vibes phaa endihlafuna ngazo. Yeah.
Okay.
Flow ndibetha ngayo phaa, flow endirhazula ngayo ngetrap mina.
Okay. Andiyazi noba sivani na kulaa nto uba isithi wena nkanyamba, ndithetha ngokuba asinokhe sithathe ezi singqi ezi ke ngoku are-comfortable kuso umntu, like let's say uyazazi uba esona singqi sakho uyakwazi ubetha ngetrap but ingase uhlale kule nto ugudi kuyo kunenye, you understand? But ke ngoku sidibanise ezi artist.
Ndiyakuva funeka ube nesignature xa uyi-artist.
Exactly. But ke ngoku ii-collaborations zona zilekha phi kuba because ndiyayirhalela ingoma enoZilimbola noMachasa, ndenza umzekelo, yabo. Yiloo conversation uChat efuna uyazi.
Kaloku ihamba ngobuhlobo kaloliwe. Anososite ingoma xa yoku mhlawumbi yasenza umculweni once ngatsho qha ke ngoku andanazazi kwi-hip hop but kwii-category ezi-different. Yiyo loo nto singacingani nocingana, yabo, into ezinjalo. So kodwa akho nto ibhedi ngaloo way, kuthetha nje uba ukhona umahluko. Qaphela.
Ndiyakuva bhuti wami. Okay.
Umahluko nje lukhoyo.
So uthi lilonke ezi zinto zinkinkishwa ngomkinkishwa, so masikhe sizifumane ngolu hlobo zililo, sizame sizihlalutye ngale ndlela
Mna bhuti omkhulu ndingatsho because uyabona mna ndiyamamela. Ikhona enye itrack ethi umido ndiyamamela umido. Ikhona enye itrack thina nawe ithi nawe phaa kuYouTube inekhava emnyama man. Thanda ihook yayo.
Na uJohn.
Not uJohn, ndiyamamela uJohn yena fumane inazi ngoku ndithanda uJohn. Ndiyamamela nikhona manithi inenamfika man like I think ngabo bayivothiwe imnyama but ke ndilibelela hook.
Akekho yedwa.
Ayingomido yedwa ihamba no Dola.
Oh.
Dola uyithini man base inkukhu ngithanda inkukhu yayo kaze ndibe kuzipiti. Umido iyanibambekisa lawe yanibambekisa xa imamelisa lawe yakho yakwazi uthatha into kulanta ayithethayo yafumana.
Oh. Hayi
Uyakwazi urelate xa usuke ekasi uyakwazi urelate and ibucomedy xa soyimamela.
Okay. Na. Siyabulela ngethuba Rhotman yami. Siyabulela kakhulu ngoncola nawe.
Ya, nakanjani bhuti omkhulu? Hayi ndabulela nami ngomtatsha man.
Nonso.
Kakhulu bhuti omkhulu. Ndiyakuqaphela mina.
Okay, inkosi bhuti wami man bayethe.
Unjalo.
Silimbola chat. Makube njalo. That's so him. That makube njalo. That is so him, chat. That is so him. Oh my days, what the fuck? Oh. Okay, chat. I think this was a W stream. I won't lie. This was a W stream. I think we might be back, chat. We might be back, chat. Hold on. Chat, we might be back. We might be back, chat. 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 I won't lie. We just might be back. I won't lie, chat. Hey, we might be back.
Pull up, the running, back it, bun him. They total believe we've done it. How many man say chef?
We might be back, chat. We might be fucking back, chat. We might be fucking back. I don't know.
Look, it's straight facts when I talk on the beat. In the back of this rag, got the smoke on me. Could never take chat, mom knows I'm a G. But when we slide, no one say it gets violent. Come on. Listen, in the street get active. One call from the pros with a
We might be back, chat. We might hold on.
And we trying to get cash in.
We might be back.
We
We might be back. We might be fucking back, chat. I won't lie. We might be back. We might be fucking back, chat. And right now, let's call it a night, chat. Let's call it a night. I think if we do it like this, like I think me and the Bruce, we're on the same length. Yeah, bo? We are on the same wavelength. Yeah, bo? Title we are on the same. We're on the same wavelength. We're on the same wavelength. You know what I'm saying? Me and the artist, at least, we're on the same wavelength. We're on the same wavelength. I won't lie. We're on the same wavelength. Or not. On the same wavelength. As long as we're on the same level, I'm happy, bro. I'm happy, bro. Let me call it night, chat. Gotta work tomorrow. At least it's almost 10 o'clock. I'm gonna go all night. Dreaming. I'm gonna go all night. Dream. We are on the fucking same wavelength. No cap. No cap, chat. No cap. Now, chat, let's call it a night. Let's call it a night, chat. Let's call it a night. Kancane kancane sipashalam. Impilo yancengo. Woza ngamandla sipashala. Now, chat, let's call it a night. Amazing session, I won't lie. Session was amazing. I won't lie to you, chat. Like, this session was fucking amazing. This session is fucking dope, beautiful. So we finna end stream. We had a lot of plans. We have a lot of things to do. We finna end stream right now. Let's hold on. We had a lot of plans. We have a lot of things to do. We finna end stream right now. Let's hold on. We had a lot of plans. We have a lot of things to do. We're gonna end stream right now. W stream chat. W fucking stream chat. W fucking stream. No fucking cap. W fucking stream. W fucking stream. I don't lie. This was dope. W fucking stream chat. W fucking stream. Oh my god, I never had so many views. Okay, slowly but surely, we gonna get there. To everybody that participated in this fucking shit, appreciate y'all. And to the person that's still watching right now as we speak, hold on, Lero the Hustler. Thank you for the call. Shout out to Lero the Hustler, chat. Shout out to Lero the Hustler. He really came through with the, you know what I'm saying, he delivered one of the greatest, you know, like, artist that is an asset. Lero the Hustler is that bro. It's an asset. I don't like. He's an asset. Otherwise, W stream chat. We're gonna do a lot of these. You're gonna find a lot of collaborations. I'm gonna go crazy, chat. I don't like chat. I'm gonna go crazy. And I appreciate the artists for supporting what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Because I know the artists were like, nah, dog. Like, I'm not gonna answer your call. So I appreciate it a lot. Much respect to Pro Child for picking up my call. Little the Hustler, shout out to you. Mr. Pizzo, shout out to you. Sauti Gianni, shout out to you. Flesh Gungani, shout out to you. All the artists, man. Mr. Jonas, we make boys, of course. Toriki, Pastor Jose Chris, the one and only. Shout out to you as well, my dog. Peace out, chat. It's all love. It's your boy Extra, etc. We will